Tirelo paid lobola for Amahle Biela, and Tirelo only found out after it happened. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Izingane Zesithembu. Hi, Mpumelelo Thumela Bakhongi Shem bahamba ke baya kwaBiela, bolobela uMaBiela. The new girlfriend eyomzulu azwana nayo manje. Abakhongi bafika late ngo1:30 baze babahlawulisa u7,000 abantu bakwaBiela. But bayakhala bancaba bagcina sebeyikhokha. And then they asked ukuthi amalelubela negotiations kungabe nama-cameras bawenze in private. And then aphume ke amakhongi batshela Impumelelo ukuthi hey labantu laba bathi bafuna ukukhokhisa imama inkomo kaMama. Anqabe Impumelelo she's not going to pay that money inkomo kaMama because umntombi baka Amahle buthathwa nguyena. Hayi baphindele phakathi ke they ended up agreeing to a certain amount. Bathi bazoletha imali eyicash neinkomo iphilayo. And then baphetha ke bavumelana kanjalo. They paid what they paid on the day. And then how nangu uMaBiela sephithizela mix ukudla ngetray emotweni kuMpumelelo. It was so nice at first bakhongi they got umakoti wrong, they chose the wrong one. But sebebavulile futhi bachoose futhi wrong. Ngathi abamazi nokumazi uMaBiela. But finally it all went well. And it was concluded. Nangu manje uMselegu sene meeting noMpumelelo no Tirelo. And then uMselegu let it out ukuthi hawu usomtshela nini umakala ukuthi uyokhokha wena le kwaBiela ukhokhela uAmahle. Tirelo was shocked to find out ukuthi uMpumelelo already went to pay lobola for Amahle. Athi hawu bathi hawu bungazi bathi usomtshela nini asibese ngizomtshela uma sengivela kwabo. Apparently, Impumelelo says that he wanted to pay lobola for Tirelo, but Tirelo's family didn't want him to pay. Ibona ke kahle abayenza abadilay the whole process. And then the way Tirelo went on and on, ekhuluma noMselegu telling him all about the things Impumelelo is doing, that Impumelelo ithanda amantombazane, and he doesn't condomize, uzomgulisa and all that. Nokuthi Impumelelo doesn't pay child support akamondla umntwana. Achakuza uMselegu was so shocked to see Tirelo going on and on phambi kwaMselegu about things that Tirelo is doing and Impumelelo is doing, and saying that yena njengoba bazomcontrol, like the way girl was going on was shocking phambi kwaMselegu. And it was so weird, but okay. And then agcina vele nje sesho ukuthi uMpumelelo must not even pay lobola for her. Akasafuna ngaseza akahambe nje eqedela kwaBiela aqedele uAmahle. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.